Can you read it now?
Wait, I dot.
Okay, let's try.
Dot.
What's the name of the
Dot.
book? Oops.
Dot.
Okay, read from here.
Dot has a hat. Dot has a cat. Cat.
Mm.
The cat has a hat. Dot has a hat.
Mm.
Dog has dog.
Dot.
Dot has a dog. I don't know.
Yes, you did good.
Dog has a hat. Dog has a rug hat. Dog said. Sad dog. Sad dot. Sad cat. Dog had a rug hat. The end.
Good job, Johnny. Good job. Say bye.
Bye.